Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you play Canon in D on guitar. We'll start by learning the 4 essential chords that form the foundation of this beautiful piece. Focus on pressing down firmly to ensure each note rings out clearly. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, taking your time to build muscle memory. This initial step is crucial for mastering the song's core progression. Now, let's add a simple strumming pattern to bring those chords to life. A basic down-down-up-up-down-up motion works wonderfully for this song. Concentrate on keeping a steady, even rhythm as you switch between chords. Using a metronome set to a slow tempo will greatly assist in developing your timing and consistency, making the piece sound cohesive. Next, we'll introduce a simplified single-note melody that fits perfectly over your chord progression. This isn't the full intricate melody, but a beginner-friendly version. Try playing the melody notes while simultaneously strumming the chords. It takes coordination, so practice very slowly, perhaps just one measure at a time, until both parts feel natural and synchronized. To truly master Canon in D, consistent practice is key. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes each day, focusing on the areas you find most challenging. Listen to the original composition, often to internalize its beautiful flow and feel. Once you're comfortable with this easy version, you can explore more advanced fingerpicking patterns and melodic embellishments to further enhance your playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.